Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Tai Wai right now, and let's do an East Rail Line journey. With this station, they have already set up the platform, cutting out all of this section already. Ready for platform gates. This is car number 1 with door number 1 here. We have a train coming in. 73. Okay. So 73, 75. Holy crap. Oh. Jeez Louise. Let's do a journey to Exhibition Center. Jeez Louise, this is how East Rail Line is like. Does not work out that well with 9-car trains. Yeah, this is pretty cool with these parts cut out already. We'll start building platform gates very soon for this station. 下一站九龍塘，乘客可以轉乘觀塘線。下一站九龍塘，乘客可以換乘觀塘線。Next station Kowloon Tong, interchange station for the Kwun Tong line. Interchange station for the Kwun Tong line. Let's see where this train comes from. Lok Ma Chau, okay. So a normal cross-boundary train. I mean, it didn't cross the border, but for crossing borders, so probably a lot of people with luggages actually. Now there was an accident actually earlier on in Tai Wai where a dude again fell into the tracks. I don't know whether he died or not, but the dude randomly fell into the tracks again, affecting the services between Tai Po Market and Fan Lane. But now it's solved, so that's why trains run smooth again. Today's the first day of Lunar New Year. So that's why there's tons of people today. Now, actually yesterday, I don't know why, trains run overnight yesterday for Lunar New Year holidays, which is pretty weird, but I guess also cool. Through Beacon Hill here. Then we can actually see some more air trapping of the platform doors in Exhibition Center Station. Yeah, the air trapping bullshit is so stupid. Now, I just recently got my phone completely overhauled. This phone that I'm using for filming, completely overhauled with the mon, with the screen, the battery, and also the camera lenses. The camera lens also changed, all changed. So that's why it's a brand new phone technically right now. So that's why hopefully I can film more videos. Because actually originally the phone is okay with a little bit of a broken screen and a very perfect camera and then a very bad battery. So that's why I go and changed the battery with a random technician in the middle of the road with a shop, which my dad trusts a lot, so that's why I just go with that. And after changing the battery, he screwed my camera up, which is completely stupid. I can't have my camera died. So that's why I went back to him, and he said, oh, I think you might have to change the whole thing. So then he just do it one more time for free to help me change everything of the phone. So that's why my phone is actually technically brand new right now. Kowloon Tong. Hopefully people get off here, because I don't want a crowded train to go across the harbour later on. It's going to be annoying. Oh, are they using the new stopping spots? Looks like they're using the new stopping spots on this side of the platform already. Yeah, looks like it's new stopping spots already. Okay, cool. Yeah, new stopping spots. But although this guy is still stopping out of the range over there, it's not even close. You see, he's over there, and we open our doors here. Hopefully, later on with platform gates, the trains will stop perfectly at the spot. Right now, it's terrible. Although it doesn't matter because no platform gates, but later on with platform gates, it's gonna be bad. I don't think new stopping spots yet, but I think they've set it up already on this side. 下一站旺角東，下一站旺角東。Next station Mongkok East. The stuff are still pretty. Mongkok East. Yeah, looks like the trains towards Admiralty, they're using the new stopping spots now. I hope I'm correct, but I saw off the stickers on the floor they have removed the blue ones. So that's why it might be using new stopping spots. Alright, Mongkok East. Yeah, this is where this platform is going to end it on. So, yep, they've set it up already. Where they're going to stop building platform gates right here. Got the spot finally on the side. Now let's keep going. Yeah, because you can see right here, this is where they start to like draw where the spot for the platform gates, and there's nothing past that point. So yeah, later on they're gonna cut out the platform, which you have to just stop right here. You cannot keep going. Technically right now you can still keep going, but no point. Trains won't stop there, so. Again, the cutting of the announcement. 勿靠近車門。下一站紅磡，乘客可以轉乘屯馬線，右邊嘅車門將會打開。下一站紅磡，乘客可以換乘屯馬線，右邊的車門將會打開。Next station, Hong Kong. Interchange station for the Tuen Ma line. Doors will open on the right. 下一站紅磡，乘客可以轉乘屯馬線，右邊嘅車門將會打開。下一站紅磡，乘客可以換乘屯馬線，右邊的車門將會打開。Honestly, really like this section right now. Because no more speed restrictions, so that's why the train should just go fast now. Really enjoyed this section now. Alright, down the tunnel to Hong Kong Station. Please mind the gap. Hong Kong Station. Now the thing is, Hong Kong Exhibition Centre and Admiralty, they all use the same type of platform doors for East Rail Line, but only the platform doors at Exhibition Centre, it air traps. all of the doors on Hong Kong and Admiralty, they don't have any problems. Looks like change of drivers. Yep, later on we can see them door trappings, that's for sure. At Exhibition Centre later on. For sure we have some platform doors getting air trapped. Air trap just means the doors just fail to close due to the air, the wind. So later on we can see some. I believe the platform doors that fail to close are usually at the front of the train. Next station, Exhibition Centre. Crossing Harbour to Exhibition Centre Station. I'm coming down here just to film a lift series because it's a cool station to do. Plus, I've actually never taken the lifts at Exhibition Centre Station, so why not just take the lifts there and do a lift series? Try them out. Please mind the gap. Really don't like that they still have every single station. Please mind the gap. Before on the MR hours they also do that. But not the SP. Actually technically also the SP. It just doesn't play immediately and then suddenly just play on its own. Like the R-Trains. And Exhibition Centre Station. So look forward to the Exhibition Centre Station MTR Station series episode. That one is actually a lot of fun. So I filmed at that station. I filmed the Exhibition Centre Station with a lot of fun actually. Also, it doesn't say please mind the gap for this station. Alright, let's check out the trapping of, the door failed to close again later on. Exhibition Centre Station. Let's get out. 73 and 75, I don't even remember the numbers. I believe all these 4 platform doors right here, they won't close properly. So that's why let's just go ahead and spot these. Yeah, I believe they don't close properly. So let's see. Oh, yeah, that one failed. Yep. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels, my Instagram. Click on these videos out here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!